Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I am doing a flip through today of Junk Journal Essentials Volume 3, All Things Neutral. So we have a Junk Journal Essentials Volume 1 and a Volume 2. And these kits are just loaded with all of the, what I call essentials, basics that a junk journaler would want. So we have bingo cards, postcards, script, ledger, receipts, library cards, guest checks, playing cards, index cards, tabs, all kinds of things. And so we have volume 1 and volume 2, and now we have volume 3. And volume 3 is all things neutral, which is fantastic because we know we can use that in all of our projects. So 51 pages. We start here with some absolutely beautiful collage. Love these so much. They're going to make fantastic tags, journal cards, even pages in our journals. Yeah. The kit is definitely distressed, a little bit grungy. Love these collage pages. Oops. There's one with postcards, stamps. And then this one is my absolute favorite. All stamps. Super, super cool. That'll look fantastic as a journal page. And then we have some dictionary. There is some dictionary pages in the other volumes. However, I wanted to include these because they have some imagery. So we could cut it right here and use this for a bee journal, or there's some botanicals down here, a bird, more botanicals. And so I thought that would be fun to incorporate with the dictionary page. And we have some architecture, like house building plans with all kinds of little numbers and diagrams and stuff. So awesome for collaging. We have a 1928 and a 1929 calendar. A map of Canada, of course, because that's where I'm from. And then another map, the exact same map, just not as dark, so a different color tone. And then we have this map here. I love this one, super pretty. And then we have some typography, just some distressed letters, A to Z. Some music, love the bits of tape. Super pretty, grungy edges. And some more music. I love the distressing on this. It's so beautiful. And then just some script. Awesome for tearing up and using in our collaging or as a background on a piece of ephemera. Some typography on graph. And a piece of ephemera, a receipt. 1907, or actually 1903 it looks like. This says 03 and that says 07. I wonder why. And then we have some botanicals. All of this is authentic vintage ephemera that's just been, slightly altered in the colors or the distressing and that sort of thing. And then ledger. And then we have a few sheets of like tea-stained pages. Love the edging on this one. Super pretty. And then we just have a light version here. And some graph. Some lines. And then some just basic tea stain again. And then we have these doilies. There's this one and there's this one. Awesome as journal pages, but great as well to tear up or for collaging or to just cut into pieces and use them for tags or journaling cards. You could even cut the doily out if you wanted to use it for something else, a tuck spot or something. And then we have some background pages. This is the same page except for the fleur-de-lis is tiny. The script is a little bit different, but love these pages. They're two of my favorites, I think. Love all the little bits of grunge. And then we have some marble end pages. Love this one. Super cool. And this one. And then we have some botanicals. Again, these are just the end pages from an antique book. We have some advertising. Oops, having issues. And some labels, of course. Love these. Yeah, super fun. And then we have some cabinet cards, which I'm super excited about. So here we have the fronts, and I kind of chose photos that make it look like families. So here's the husband, there's the wife, and there is their 3 kids. And then this is the sister of the wife, and this is her baby. And then the backs to glue on them, print them both out and then glue them together. You could even glue them together on 3 sides and then make a tuck spot. So those are lots of fun. Some postcards and these labels. I love them. Such swirly script. Very pretty. And then we have stamps, bingo cards, tickets, tabs. I'm super excited about these. Yeah, they're awesome. And then a little bit of some ephemera. Some This Journal Belongs To in different styles and tones of color and sizes. Just some typography. You could actually cut out these letters if you wanted to spell something. And then these are stacked pockets. They can be used by themselves, or you can stack them. They are fit to, this small one goes on here, and then they go on here. So we have 3 pockets. And a label, and then just like a coin envelope, tall, narrow coin envelope, and then CD envelope, which I did do a freebie for a CD envelope. However, it was just like the template, so it was white, and then you could print whatever you want on it. This one here is perfect for a base because it's tea stained and ready to go. And then we have a bunch of tags, which I'm super excited for. Yeah, gonna be so versatile. Some more tags. We have a few pages of tags, different sizes, color tones. And there we go. So that is the 51 page, let's see, where's our cover sheet? 51 page Junk Journal Essentials Volume 3. You can find the link to it both in my Etsy shop and on Ko-fi, and they are down below. And thanks for watching. Bye.